Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we are moving forward to our second question from Club Babbar's 450 DSA sheet under the topic strings. So our next question is palindrome string. So let's move forward to our solution. People, this is our Club Babbar's DSA sheet and in strings this is our second question which states check whether a string is a palindrome or not. So let's move to our question. So today's question is on Geeks for Geeks platform and let's first read our question. So the question says, given a string S, check if it is a palindrome or not. To understand palindrome, we can see the example. See, in this example we can see A, B, B, A. If we place a mirror in between these two B's, we can see the exact mirror images on both sides. So we can call it a palindrome. While if we see the second example, if we place a mirror in between that is on B, so it will not be mirror images, like A and C will not be mirror images. In place of C, if there was A, B, A, then it will be a palindrome. So let's move forward to the code. So people, for the code what we need to see is if the given string and the reverse of the given string are same, then we can call it a palindrome. So to reverse a string, I gave the solution in my previous video. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can go and see the methods. What I will be doing is simply comparing if this string is equal to the reverse string. For reverse, I will be using the slicing method. Then just return 1, and if it is not like that, just return 0. Just compile and run. It's giving some error. Sorry, if S is equal to yes, let's try to submit. Yes, so we can see we are getting the correct solution. So we can give a zoom on this. You can see the code. And people, that's all for today. If you are liking the videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel.